Hello, we are industry is technology.
Okay, what is technology? Technology is a set of the techniques and process with the which different products have been developed the sec to facilitate the users life. The technology is a recent years has had great evolution. We have gone from having a cable telephone to a portal cell phone with the great application um, that make your life easier. The other new invention is a self-driving cars, and the other invention is technology machines that they help the blood circulate. Technology has also helped the medicine with the other machine is ventilators.
Now, what is the problems in the future? Even though technology improves and has great things as time goes on, this can lead to big problem for people. One of the problem that is already beginning to be seen is physical inactivity. It is the same trias consequence many other problems such as, for example, generating obesity, cardiovascular problems, cognitive, and some problems memory in people.
Okay, we discovered two things. Firstly, is the people said that the world could overuse the technology and finally end up being something similar to Wally. And the second, it's very interesting. All the people said that they affirmed that the use of technology will increase with the pass of the time. Okay, on the other hand, finally, the majority of people say that the technological element they use it in her house is the cell phone.
Okay, and with the previous result is a can be if the people are aware of the different causes and be begin addicted to technology but in our company, and we can help people to have hours of the rest to simulate and their learning uh, hours of the sleep and have certain hours to use technology and also help children today and have better learning through educational activities and there are no video games or video entertainment these through some activities encourage or to people the to encourage people to have hours to rest to oxygenate their bodies and brains. And additional, and I can be said we can change our generation to more complete in without having and to use technology for many hours and that we can learn it through and psychology and physical time source has books.
Okay. Thanks for attention. And this project is uh, create for evidence the effects of the technology in health.